In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn Gemini Nano Banana into your personal AI outfit try-on, a fully tested technique that will give you a virtual wardrobe you can experiment with. First things first, let's start by heading over to Google. Open your favorite browser and simply type Google in the address bar or search for it. Once you're on the Google homepage, we need to look up Gemini. So, in the search box, type Google Gemini. This is where our custom AI journey begins. Once you hit enter, among the first results, you'll notice the official Google Gemini website. Go ahead and click on this link to visit the site. This is your gateway to a plethora of AI capabilities, including the feature we're focusing on today. At this point, we're on the cusp of exploring something exciting. Next, you'll see the option that says Create Image, marked by a banana icon. Click on this option. Don't worry if this step feels a little quirky. It's part of what makes this tool unique and charming. After clicking on Create Image, you'll be directed to a new page where you can see a plus sign icon. This icon is crucial as it allows us to add new AI-generated content. Click on the plus sign, and you're ready to set up your first prompt. Prompts are pivotal as they are the foundation of what our AI will generate for us. To give you a head start, let's create a prompt that reads, "Make the man wear the tuxedo." This simple instruction will guide the AI to generate an image based on our customized needs. Once you've typed out this prompt, take a moment to ensure everything is spelled correctly and that it accurately conveys what you want the AI to create. Clear and precise instructions will yield the best results, so it's worth taking your time at this stage. Now, after confirming your prompt, you'll want to submit it. Look for the Submit button, which is usually near the text input area. Clicking Submit sends your prompt to the AI, kicking off the creative process. As you wait for your AI-generated image, which typically happens in a snap, this is a great moment to imagine the possibilities of having a personal outfit try-on powered by AI. The versatility of this setup allows for endless experimentation with styles and looks without ever stepping into a fitting room. Once your image has been generated, take a good look at how well the AI has performed in following your prompt. And there you have it. You've successfully turned Gemini Nano Banana into your own personal AI outfit try-on. Enjoy exploring and experimenting with new styles, and share the outcomes with friends or use them for your fashion inspiration. Thank you for following along today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more innovative tech tutorials.